Reading. A reading from the book of Sirach, chapter 48, verse 1 to 4, 9 to 11. Elijah will come again. Then the prophet Elijah arose like a fire, and his word burnt like a torch. He brought a famine upon them, and by his zeal he made them few in number. By the word of the Lord he shut up the heavens, and also 3 times brought down fire. How glorious you were, O Elijah, in your wondrous deeds, and who has the right to boast which you have? You who were taken up by a wild wind of fire, in a chariot with horses of fire, you who are ready at the appointed time, it is written, to calm the wrath of God before it breaks out in fury, to turn the heart of the father to the son, and to restore the tribes of Jacob. Blessed are those who saw you, and those who have been adorned in love, for we also shall surely live. Word of God, thanks be to God. Psalms 79, your response will be, God of hosts, brings us back, let your face shine on us, and we shall be saved. O Shepherd of Israel, hear us, shine forth from your cherubim throne. O Lord, rouse up your might. O Lord, come to our help. Your response will be, God of hosts, brings us back, let your face shine on us, and we shall be saved. God of hosts, turn again, we implore, look down from heaven and see. Visit this vine and protect it, the vine your right hand has planted. Your response will be, God of hosts, brings us back, let your face shine on us, and we shall be saved. May your hand be on the man who have chosen, the man you have given your strength, and we shall never forsake you again. Give us life that we may call upon your name. Your response will be, God of hosts, brings us back, let your face shine on us, and we shall be saved. Gospel. A reading from the Holy Gospel according to St. Matthew, chapter 17, verse 10 to 13. Elijah has already come, and they did not know him. As they were coming down the mountain, the disciples asked Jesus, then why do the scribes say that first Elijah must come? He replied, Elijah does come, and he is to restore all things. But I tell you that Elijah has already come, and they did not know him, but did to him whatever they pleased. So also the Son of Man will suffer at their hands. Then the disciples understood that he was speaking to them of John the Baptist. Gospel of the Lord, praise be to God Jesus.